Hey guys, I am gonna say that this actually has become a part of my daily routine. And I've actually noticed a difference. And I'll be honest, I was a little skeptical walking into the whole liver detox supplement world because there's just so much out there and it's hard to know what's legit. But after doing a bit of research on Milk Thistle and seeing this one packs 2,000 milligrams with the salicylmarin concentration, I figured, hey, I'll give it a shot. And I'm glad I did. And actually really happy the brand sent this so I'm able to share this with you guys. Now, I've been taking it for a few weeks now, twice daily like they recommend. And honestly, the biggest thing I've noticed is just feeling less sluggish overall, especially on busy weeks when my eating habits aren't as clean as I'd like it to be. I can't say it's scientifically proven for me personally, but it's become a nice part of my routine that makes me feel like I'm being a little proactive about my health. Now, I will tell you, these are a couple of things that I actually appreciate, that it's gummy, not a horse pill. So it's actually easy to remember and doesn't feel like a chore. It's sugar-free, and that's a big plus for me since I am watching my intake elsewhere. Vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and it checks every box for clean ingredients. There's no weird aftertaste, no stomach upset, nothing negative to report at all. And as always, check your doctor before starting any new supplement. And like I said, this has been working for me. I really hope this helps.